Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. So today I wanted to show you the expense agent. So in this demo, we will see how Anne, a project consultant at Contoso Consulting, works with the expense agent to submit her expense reports faster, allowing her to focus on client work instead. So the expense agent uses email receipts to gather expense information and draft reports, doing the heavy work so all project workers need to do is quickly review and submit. Now, with the process sped up, employees can be reimbursed faster and clients aren't surprised with expense invoices long after the fact. So let's get started. Let's say Anne gets back from a work trip and needs to submit her expense report. Before, she would have had to go into Dynamics 365 and manually create each report line, add expense details, and attach receipts herself. Now, all she has to do is email her expense receipts to the expense agent, and it takes care of everything for her. So we are just going to click on Send here. And then as you can see, after the report is submitted, Anne still has full visibility into the details and can check on the report in Dynamics 365 as needed. And if you click on Open in Expense, you will see that in expense management in Dynamics 365 and can see her full list of submitted expense reports. So let's check on the one she just submitted to see the details. And so as you can see, each expense from the email has been captured and categorized with the receipts attached. And takes a look at the receipts to see the detailed mapping the agent did. And so you can click on the receipts. And what's also important is she can see how the agent properly matched the receipt type to be lodging and found the total amount and tax fields to map against the required fields in the expense report. Now, with full visibility like this, Anne can trust the agent to submit her expense reports for her. The team at Contoso Consulting has full control over the expense agent with the ability to choose when to enable the agent, how often it should run, and how it should create expense reports. Now, with the expense agent, project workers like Anne can focus on value add client work instead of administrative tasks. And timely expense report submissions reduce time for employees to be reimbursed or clients to be invoiced, ensuring there are no last-minute surprises. Agents in the ERP help businesses adapt faster, work smarter, and perform better. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.